Welcome back to Two-Way Radio Shop. My name's Neve and in today's video we're going to unbox the brand new Hytera GC550 body cam. Body-worn cameras have taken the world by storm over the last year or so, and they've been successfully adopted into loads of markets such as retail, security and healthcare. The GC550 is what's known as a standalone body camera, so body cameras come in two main forms, if you like. There's the standalone ones and then the 4G smart cameras. Standalone body cameras operate independently and record audio and video footage locally onto the device. To access the footage or manage the settings on the device, you'll have to physically connect the camera to a computer. Once you've connected it to a computer, you'll use some sort of body cam software. There is software that comes free with the GC550 and we'll talk about that a little bit later on in the video. The main benefit of a standalone body camera is that they're simple and straightforward to use. Standalone body cameras are a more cost-effective solution if surveillance and evidence management are the only thing that you're going to need the device for. The other types of body cams that you can get is called 4G smart cam. These are basically body cameras that have LTE and Wi-Fi capabilities and normally have an integrated push-to-talk functionality on them as well, so they can double as a two-way radio. 4G smart cameras are more expensive than standalone cameras, but they're also more versatile because they do combine two devices into one, a body camera and a walkie-talkie, so they can be more cost-effective if surveillance, communication and evidence management are a top priority for your operations. Like I said, the GC550 is just a standalone camera. So we're going to get into doing the unboxing of the device now. This is what the inside looks like when you first open it. Inside this plastic wallet we've got a user manual and a quick reference user guide. We would always recommend giving this a read over before using the device just to get to know it a little bit. On the top level of the box we've got the mini body cam here, and this is a high capacity lithium battery. This is your first look at the GC550 if you haven't seen it before. I'll unbox the rest of the box and then we'll go over the main features on the device. Underneath the main compartment we have the 360 belt clip attachment here, and then this is the programming wire and charging wire, and it also comes with an adapter. This is a closer look at the charging and programming wire for the device. This is the 360-degree swivel belt clip. To put the battery into the body cam, what you want to do is pull this lever and slide this down. And the battery goes into here. So that's the battery now inserted into the device. If we flip the body cam over, this is where the attachment for it will attach. So this part here will slide into this part here. And then this is a 360 swivel attachment, so you can bend it all the way around 360. To give some context to how small this body cam is, here is it next to a regular sized post-it note. As you can see, it's literally smaller than a post-it note. I'm going to go ahead and turn the mini body cam on. So you can kind of see our filming setup. To turn the night vision on, it's actually within the camera's settings. So if you go into the settings, you just use this button here to click through the settings. So night vision's that top one there. You click OK on the side. We'll turn it on. And then, oh, it's not picking it up on camera. I've turned off all of our filming lights so that you can see the infrared lights that came on the front of the camera. If I go back to settings and turn night vision off, you can see they've now gone off. The infrared night vision sensors will enhance video quality in low lighting conditions or dark lighting. The 30-second pre-record feature means that the body cam will keep the 30 seconds of footage that's in the camera's short-term memory before you flick the record switch. So to record,
video recording started.
You just slide that down and the camera will have recorded the 30 seconds prior to me flipping the switch.
Video recording finished.
This feature is really useful to capture events leading up to an incident or provide valuable evidence and context that may help in understanding the event or determining responsibility of an incident. It also has integrated smart low power consumption technology, which means that this tiny little body cam should work up to 9 hours on a single charge. One of my personal favourite features about the GC550 is the 5-minute battery backup. So this is a really cool redundancy feature. It means that if I was to remove the battery from the device will continue working without the battery in for 5 minutes. And if you're recording, it will not interrupt the video. I'm going to try and show you in real time what I mean, but I'm really sorry if I can't get the angle because I'll need to flip the camera over to take the battery out. So to start, I'm just going to flip this down.
Video recording started.
Start recording on the device. As you can see, the device is recording. And then what I need to do is flip it over. Take the battery out and the device is still recording uninterrupted. Don't know if you'll be able to see. And then I've got 5 minutes now to then replace the battery. And it is still recording. So I think that that's a really cool feature of the device.
Video recording finished.
What I might try and do, because I feel like that went a bit blurry, is take the footage from the body cam and insert it into the video to show you that it continued recording even when I took the battery out. I'm going to try and show you in real time what I mean, but I'm really sorry if I can't get the angle because I'll need to flip the camera over to take the battery out. So to start, I'm just going to flip this down.
Video recording started.
Start recording on the device. As you can see, the device is recording. And then what I need to do is flip it over.
请插入主电池
Take the battery out. And the device is still recording uninterrupted. Don't know if you'll be able to see. And then I've got 5 minutes now to then replace the battery. And it is still recording. So I think that that's a really cool feature of the device.
Video recording finished.
The device also has something that's known as a data airbag. This ensures that recorded videos and photos are automatically saved to the device. That just means that the data automatically stores to the camera. So I've already demonstrated just how tiny the body cam is by showing you it's literally smaller than this post-it note, but it only weighs 115 grams. It's more discreet than other body cameras on the market, and a smaller and lighter body cam is generally more comfortable to wear. If it's more comfortable, people are going to be more compliant with wearing the device constantly, whereas if it was a heavy camera that was weighing you down, you might be more reluctant to want to wear it. A more discreet body camera is less likely to draw attention, potentially reducing the risk of aggression and resistance from individuals being recorded. As I've already shown in this video, it's a simple
Video recording started.
slide to record operation.
Video recording finished.
Hytera presents this as being much easier to do than clicking a button. However, in my personal experience, I think they're both very similar in terms of ease of use. I do like the slide, I think it is quite handy, but I don't think it's necessarily easier than pressing a button. Because it's so small as well, I have a small hand and I can easily operate this one-handed.
Video recording started. Video recording finished.
A simple one-handed operation design can reduce the learning curve for users. This is beneficial when deploying body cameras across different departments or when training resources are limited. Also, having a body camera that can be operated with just one hand can contribute to the overall safety of the person using it, ensuring that they can keep their hands free for other essential stuff that they might need to do. It has an IP rating of 67 and it has been drop tested from 1.5 meters. So this sort of suggests that it's going to survive accidental drops if it was to drop off of you if you were running. Not that it should, because it should be securely attached with the attachment clip that it comes with. You can also get different clips, but this is just a standard one. It also will increase the longevity of the device, knowing that it's robust and reliable. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you do need to manually connect standalone body cameras to a computer to be able to retrieve the footage and the data off of them. Essentially, the free software will allow you to program and manage the body cams. That's stuff like editing the recording settings, the timestamp information of the pre and post record times, etc. It comes in two different types, so you can get the 32GB and the 64GB. We have the 32GB here as our demo unit, but for the 64GB 2K minicam, it is RRP £240 compared to other body cameras on the market, which can be around £700, including the management software. The Hytera body cam is extremely competitively priced. The device's redundancy feature, including my favourite, which is the 5-minute battery backup and the data airbag, contribute to continuous recording without interruptions. I think that the Hytera GC550 stands out as a comprehensive body-worn camera solution. It prioritises quality, performance and ease of use. We think that it's well suited for various professional applications such as security, stewards, healthcare, retail, or basically any customer-facing roles where staff may need extra protection. Just to conclude the video, the Hytera GC550 gets a big thumbs up from our team. We are happy to confidently recommend this to our clients. If you'd like to talk about how body-worn camera can be implemented into your operation, you can contact us on the information on screen now. And that's it for today's video. We hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you have enjoyed this kind of content. We put out videos every other week that are educational and sometimes entertaining. If you have any other questions that we haven't covered about anything in today's video or just anything in general, please leave them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.